Okay, you can stop now.
You can visualize.
Oh my god, look at that! It completes my spoon collection. Now I have 5. Hey, look at that guy. What's that?
Llámame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Jon.
Hey, Sophia.
Oh. Hey, Oppa.
Oh, what's wrong?
Well, I went on a date with this really nice guy, and I had this red dress on, and we had a really nice dinner, and he hasn't called for a whole week, and I really want to go on another date with him, and I just feel really bad.
Oh, it'll be alright.
Well, I need some alone time, so I'll see you at home.
Okay. Or I'm gonna kill this guy.
Dude, Sophia, doesn't your back hurt?
Oh, now that I notice it, yeah, it does.
Your back hurts?
Yeah.
What have you been sleeping on?
Sleeping
bags? Try this new Tempur-Pedic queen-size mattress. If you buy it now, in the next 10 minutes, we'll give it to you for $9.99 with free shipping. Come on. Let's start our meeting. How are you girls doing? I missed you.
Good. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't see you at church on Sunday. What happened?
About that, I was on a date with a really cool guy, but I'd like to go out with him again, but he hasn't called me for a whole week.
So what's his name? Do I know him?
Maybe. His name is John.
What?
John?
The guy I'm dating is also named John.
That really?
Yeah, he gave me the other time. He gave me a stuffed animal. It was a sheep. It was so cute. It was like small.
Okay, I remember that.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. And he likes this wearing this red sweater.
Whoa.
So good.
No, that guy's mine.
No, he's my boyfriend.
Oh, wait. You guys, are you fighting? A guy is not something to fight over. We need to set our priorities straight. It's not worth missing church over either. We need to think about God. He's our priority. He will take us higher.
Oh, Oppa, that's him.
Are you John? Yeah. How are you? Don't worry about it. Just get up. Dude, I need to get out of here.
Hi guys, thanks for coming. This is my cousin Joanna.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
So what happened with that guy?
Oh, my brother actually beat him up, and now he's in a coma. But, oh, and my brother's also in jail. I think it'll all turn out okay at the end.
You know what, Sophia? I was reflecting upon this, and I just really wanted to tell you that I'm sorry that we got into a fight. I let a guy get into our relationship, and you are part of my small group study group, and I really want to grow with you in Christ. And John, I hope he gets better, and hopefully he won't be in a coma anymore. But I'm really sorry, and I hope that we can grow closer together. And God is good, and He's so amazing. So I'm sorry. I hope to see you to church tomorrow. John, how did this happen to you? Is this for me? What is this? What the heck?
Presented to you by Selah Productions. Good.